Problem number 1. In the figure, assume that a 20 mm diameter rivet joins the plates that are each 110 mm wide. The allowable stresses are 120 megapascal for bearing in the plate material and 60 megapascal for shearing of rivet. Determine the minimum thickness of each plate and the largest average tensile stress in the plates. So for A, we are asked to compute the minimum thickness of the plate. So first, we will base on the shearing of the rivet. So we have the shearing stress is equal to the force over the shear area. So we have here from the given that the allowable stresses. So from the problem, we have the bearing stress is equal to 120 megapascal, and the shearing stress for the rivet is equal to 60 megapascal. So with this, we have shearing stress is equal to 60 megapascal, and we have here the force P over the shear area. So the shear area is, since dito siya possible na mag-fail, and the shear area here is the cross-sectional area of the rivet. So we have here pi, diameter of the rivet, that is 20 mm square over 4. Now computing for the value of the force P, so we have here 60 is equal to the force P over the area, that is pi times 20 square over 4. Shift solve equals, and we have 18,849.56. So we have here 18,849.56, and the unit here is Newton. So if we are going to base on bearing of the plate, we have the bearing stress is equal to the force P over the bearing area. So as I have said earlier, that the bearing area is equal to the projection of the rivet to the plate, and it is the diameter of the rivet multiplied by the thickness of the plate. So in here, yung isang plate lang yung i-consider natin dito, since makikita natin dito that we have here, makikita natin dito that we have two plates. Yung upper plate natin is acted upon the force P. Yung upper plate natin is acted upon by the force P. The plate here at the bottom is also acted upon by the force P. So dito sa bearing ay isang plate lang yung i-consider natin. And we have here the bearing stress, since the bearing stress is given, that is equal to 120 megapascal. So we have here 120 megapascal is equal to the force P, but force P is already computed from the first solution here. So we have here the P is equal to 18,849.56 Newton. And the area of the bearing here is the diameter multiplied with the thickness. So since here the thickness is unknown for this problem, we have the diameter given, that is 20 mm. So we have 20 mm multiplied with the thickness. So from here we can now solve for the value of the thickness. So solving for the value of the thickness, we have 120 is equal to 18,849.56 over 20 mm multiplied by the unknown thickness. Shift solve equals, and we have 7.85 mm. So this is 7.85 mm, and this is our answer for the part A. For the part B, we are asked to compute for the largest tensile stress in the plates. So for the largest tensile stress, since earlier may nabanggit akong dalawang tensile stress, no? We have the tension on the gross area and tension on the net area. So papakita ko siya. We have the tension on gross area. For the tension in the gross area, we have here the normal stress is equal to the force over the gross area. So we have here the force P, since na-compute natin yung force P natin from here that it is 18,849.56. So this is 18,849.56 Newton over the gross area. So yung gross area dito ng plate ay itong area na to, yung dito ng part na to, no? So that is the width 110 mm multiplied by the thickness of the plate. Since the thickness of the plate that we had already computed is equal to 7.85, so i-denote ko lang siya as the thickness. So we have here 110 mm multiplied by 7.85 mm, and we have here the stress dun sa gross area, which is equal to 18,849.56 over 110 times 7.85, and that is equal to 21.83 megapascal. So this is 21.83 megapascal. And for the tension in the net area, so for the tension in the net area, we have the normal stress for the net area is equal to the force over the net area. So net area, ito naman yung area natin sa part na to, wherein ililess natin yung diameter nung rivet, no? So ibig sabihin kung sa gross area natin kanina, this is 110, ibabawas natin yung diameter ng rivet, which is equal to 20 mm. So yung net width natin dito, so we have here net width over 2, and this is net width over 2. The P equal to 18,849.56 Newton, and the net area is equal to the net width, since the net area is equal to the net width multiplied by the thickness of the plate. So for the net width, we have 110 mm minus the diameter of the rivet, which is 20 mm, multiplied by the thickness of the plate, which is equal to 7.85 mm. So computing for the tension and the net area, that is equal to 18,849.5 over 110 minus 20 mm multiplied by the thickness 7.85 is equal to 26.68 megapascal. So we have here 26.68 megapascal. And as you can see here, we are asked to determine the largest tensile stress in the plate. Among these two tension here, the largest one is the tension in the net area. And this is our answer for part B.